Hello everyone, this is Miss Yoon. Today I'm going to teach you how to navigate important platforms that we're going to be using during this remote learning. So first, every single day make sure that you sign in into your Google Classroom to check for your assignment. So let's say that you're just doing chemistry mode, you're in this class, so you click on it and you want to work on my stuff, okay? Go to classwork and you're going to be seeing the assignment as something called Edpuzzle. So we're going to be using the platform called Edpuzzle a lot this year. If you have Mr. Wickline or Mr. Castro, you should be familiar with this already. If you are not, then this video is for you. If you are already familiar with it, you don't have to watch this video, okay? Alright, so let's say that I created an assignment and for that day you have to use the Edpuzzle. You would have to click on that link and what you're going to be prompted to will be something like this. Okay, what you have to do is just log in using your TUHS account. So what you would click is just sign in with Google and you can select the TUHS account that you have. Okay, so because I'm not a student, I'm just gonna sign in as a teacher. And what you're gonna see is you're gonna see the list of classes that your teachers are using the Edpuzzle for. So if you're doing Chem Remote, you would obviously have to click on that class name. Okay, if you're in Chemistry A1, then obviously you would have to click that. You're only going to probably see one of these, okay? Alright, so if you click on it, you're gonna see the assignments that's due. Assignment that's due for that day by 11:59 p.m. So every single day you're going to complete the assignment and those are always due at 11:59 p.m. Alright, so I'm going to, let's pretend that there was an assignment here, so I clicked on it, okay? I'm gonna pick a random sample that we can take a look at together. Okay, so let's say that you clicked on the assignment and this is what you are going to be looking at. Okay, so on the right side, you're gonna see the to-do list. That means that you have 4 different questions that are open-ended and multiple choice. As you watch this video, you have to answer. And those are the ones that you're going to be graded on. Okay, so, and also you can see on the bottom here, these water droplet looking things here. Those are like the things where it's gonna stop the video and allow you to kind of like take notes. There's some questions that are embedded here. So those are the things. Okay, so if you get it wrong as you watch the video, it's gonna change the color to red. If you get it correct, then it's gonna change the color to green. So as you're watching this, you're not going to be allowed to skip things around within the video. That's so that you are actually watching the entire video from 0 second till the end. That way, that's the only way that you can actually submit through the Google Classroom. They're integrated so that I can see whether or not you have completed it, if you haven't. Okay, so make sure that you watch the entire video. Okay, so now if you take a look, let's say as an example, let's say you got to that point and you're looking at on the right side, it's a note. Okay, so if I were you, I would be taking notes as I watch the video. Even if it doesn't actually show you the notes or give you the notes, you should get in the habit of writing or taking your own notes as you're watching these videos, so that you're responsible and you're ready to actually go back to your notes and you don't have to rewatch the entire video over and over, which will take a lot longer than you going through your notes that you took. So you're responsible for bringing or having actually one notebook for chemistry class or physics class, whatever you have with me. and it could be a binder as well. If you're doing in person, in the future when you come in, you have to bring in a binder for this class for me. So it's really up to you if you want to get a binder now or if you want to wait a little bit until we find out what happens. Okay. All right. So, and over here it says skip, but you're not going to be able to really skip on your student mode. Okay. So
they commit and green screen.
Let's say that you're like done, almost done watching, you're like up to here and you're completed. So that means that over here on Google Classroom, I'm gonna be able to see that you have completed it, okay? If not, let's say that you just shut this off without completing the entire thing. Then it's gonna say that you have, you're done, but like you're not done because you didn't watch the entire video, okay? Okay, just make sure that you do that. And for for today's assignment, you are going to be using one of the videos as a sample and see if you can actually sign into Edpuzzle and be able to complete that assignment, okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. All right. Good luck, guys.